Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working on the Fiesta again here, the Fiesta Mk7. This guys is generation from 2008 to 2017 model actually. So what we're going to do guys today, we'll show you how to remove and replace rear window regulator. The rear left, rear right side will be identical, so stay with us and we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. If your window doesn't roll up and down all the way, most likely you have bad regulator or window motor, which we have a video. We have probably close to 200 videos guys. Please subscribe, let us know if you need anything, and let's start on it now. Okay guys, so what we'll need to do, those are the tools that we'll be using: panel removal tools, screwdrivers. We really like those because they come with everything we need for those jobs, and we'll have the links for all the parts, and tools that we use in the description of the video guys. So we're trying to save you some time, so now we'll need to remove, that cap, we need to open that cap, and, you can see, we pulled it out, it has three teeth, so, you have to be careful how you install that one later. We're going to get a Phillips screwdriver, and we will remove, that screw now. Almost out. Perfect. Now we have a few more things to do. We will need a Torx 25. This is the star looking bit, and longer screwdriver, like that. Right here there is two more. Let me get some light here. So you see that there is two more screws, and those are different than the one that we already removed. One is out, one more to go. Second one is almost out now. Perfect. Next we need to get a trim removal tool, and right here we need to pry that cap out of here. Let me show you where the clip is on the bottom side. That's where it goes. Then stay with us. Once we remove the door panel, I'm going to show you where all the clips are, so you don't damage your door panel. And if you get usually your fingers underneath, you can pull it, but it might be really tight guys, because it really depends if it's been removed before or not. So we're going to go again. You can see it started popping. Now right here on top we need to be careful. There is usually one more clip, I believe. Perfect. Now we need to disconnect the cable. Let me show you how that happens, and I'm going to demonstrate what happened with some of the clips. So this cable now, let me get some light on. This piece right here, you need to push it towards the back. On both sides. And you pull it out. When you're ready to install it, all you have to do, bring the panel close to the thing. Go in an angle like that. The panel is still a little bit short because the cable is short. I'm trying to get the camera in there. And next you will just need to click it like that, and it's stuck. And when you need to remove it, just press the thing, pull it out. Now we have the wires for the switch guys. That's for the window switch. And let's twist it so we can show you how to do that now. So there is one tooth there that you need to push back. I'm going to show you once we pull the cable. Let me show you now. This one. Right here. It needs to go back, and then you pull the wires out. Now we have a problem guys. Now we have some clips that actually stayed on the door. So we need to go ahead and remove those. You can see the white clips. That's the head. We need to pull those things out, and install them on the panel, otherwise you will not be able to install the door panel later. One is out, just one more to go. If you need replacement clips, we use some, so we'll share the link. Okay, and this one as well, you can see it's not all the way in, so you need to push it in, and those you just go from the bigger hole and you just push it. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, on the door panel, so you know where to apply pressure. Okay, so this is the front side. Okay, you have 3 right here and you have 4 on this side. Okay guys, so we removed, okay, the window. Okay, one second, the window switch from the panel. Okay, so we can move the window up and down. Here you have 2 covers that you need to remove. One there that we already peeled off. Careful not to break them for that hole, and the one there. From here we are going to access the bolts for the rear window. Okay, this one came off, so you can re-glue them later. Okay, just like that. Now with the ignition on, we're going to bring the window down until we get the bolts. Okay, right there, one bolt and another bolt here. So what we'll need to do now, guys, okay, we'll need to get a 10mm. Okay, right here we have, with the screwdriver set, a 10mm socket, and we're going, okay, just to turn them, okay, 1 or 2 revolutions. Okay, and this one is really tight. Okay, so we'll need to get a ratchet. Okay, so we need to get a ratchet because it's really tight. Get them loose only a couple revolutions, guys. Don't take them off all the way. Okay. Second one as well. Perfect. Next we'll bring the window all the way down. Okay, and you can hold the window with one hand. Okay, and gently drop it there. Okay, and careful not to drop it all the way fast to break or anything like that. Next we'll need to pull that seal out of the groove there. Okay, and you need to pull it all the way out. Okay, like that. Here, let me turn the light on. Okay, we have 2 screws with Torx. Okay, so with Torx 20, okay, right here, we're going to remove the 2 screws now. Okay, this one is almost out. Okay, and second one over there now. Okay, perfect. Next we need to remove, okay, that seal right here. After that we need to lift on this side. Okay, that seal is very important how you remove it, because if you bend it, it will be visible later. Okay, so it just needs to go like that. Okay, you can see, okay, there is one canal right here that's on top of the plastic, prevents it from going up. Now you're going to slide it up until it comes out. Okay, it's almost there. Okay, perfect. Next you can grab the window with 2 hands, careful not to break it. Okay, and you can, okay, slide it out. It goes only one certain way, guys. Okay, and the whole window, you can see, door window comes out. Okay, just like that. Next, with the Torx 25, okay, right here, we're going to remove the window motor now. Okay, it has 3 screws holding it. Okay, last one now. And you just pull it straight out, don't twist. Okay, like that. We need to disconnect the wire by pressing in on both things and pulling out. Okay, and this one is out of the way now. Okay, next with the 10mm socket, we're going to remove all these bolts. Okay, just a few more to go. Okay, I think all we got is just 2 more. Okay, right there. Okay, now you can grab it, guys. It will be glued together. You have to make sure that everything's loose now. Okay, the wires are right there in the way a little bit. And what happens now, we have, I think, we have 3 glides right here. Once we remove it, I'm going to show you what exactly we're talking about. And the whole panel will need to go towards the front, okay, so it can come loose, okay, from the holders. Okay, it got loose. You can a little bit get an idea right here where things are. Okay, now we will need to disconnect that clip right here. Okay, this white one that holds the cable for the interior door handle. Okay, you pull it out. Now it's important, okay, to disconnect that cable right here. Okay, this cable is for the door lock actuator. Once we unhook it, I'm going to show you what to expect, because I cannot get my camera in there. It's very limited room. Okay, and we just got the clip loose. Okay, check it out now. Okay, this thing right here in the middle. Okay, you have to press down on it and then you pull it out. When you press down, okay, you can see it unlocks it. Okay, right here. Next, we need to get the panel out, feed the wire through it. Okay, like that. Alright guys, and this is the window regulator right here. We're going to slide it up. When you don't have the window motor, you can do that with 8mm, or actually 10. 8mm, this one. Okay, we're going to remove the 2 bolts. Okay, it's going to get loose on this side. Now we need to disconnect. There is 3 clips, okay, on the mount for the window motor right here. Okay, so you need to press down in the middle, kind of like to get them loose and push them in. Okay, and those you can see the 2 things in the middle, you need to squish them towards each other and push in. Okay, and it gets loose. Okay, this one almost did go, but didn't. If you don't get the 2 teeth at the same time, it's not going to work out. Okay, 2 out of 3, 1 more to go. Okay, last one. So now we can just go ahead and pull the whole window regulator out of the way now. Okay, right here guys, you can see this is the old window regulator. Okay guys, and this is the 3 glides right here that I was talking about, that you need to slide it forward. Remember that whole panel needs to go forward. When you install it, don't forget that you need to line up all 3 of them and push backwards. If you're not sure if they're in, you can sneak a peek from top, or you can remove the speaker and access them with your hand through the speaker and touch to see if they're inside. Okay, we're going to get a new regulator, push it in place until you hear the 3 clicks from, okay, the clips there. After that, we'll need to, okay, right here there is 2 holders, one here, one on the bottom, so you gotta make sure that it's in. We'll need to install the 2 bolts with the 8mm socket. Okay, there are actually screws, also screws in the plastic. Okay, get them tight. And all we have to do, you need to install that panel. Make sure you go you get the cable, the wire that unlocks the door from the inside, connect that wire there, put everything together in reverse order. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.